Today we are at Hong Kong Disneyland and we are going on an exciting jungle river cruise adventure. The fun begins as we sail through the wild waters surrounded by stunning nature and pure
Not
adventure.
ready yet. I'm nervous. This is my first day and first time. Alright guys, here we go. Let's say goodbye to my friend. Goodbye. Oh, look at them. They're still waiting. Let's laugh at them. You're waiting now. Goodbye. On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper. My name is Snowman. Here are the couple rows in my boat. First, remain seated. And please keep your hands and arms inside my boat and take care of your children, even though they're not the favorite one. Alright guys, here we go. Please look at your right hand side. This is the Tarzan treehouse. There's a lot of scientists doing their research right now. And let's say hello to the scientists. Hello! Wait a minute. Where are the scientists? Where are they? We changed our plan. Our first mission is to fight them. We lost contact with them a few days ago actually. Alright, we are the longest river in the world, 4,000 miles. What do you see at the front? Elephant?
Elephant.
Actually it's a rock. No, I'm just kidding. There's a mother elephant and a baby elephant. Let's say hello to them. Hello! And that is the brother elephant. You see those wrinkles? They must be in the water for a long, long time. Alright. And here comes the father elephant. Remain seated and let's get wet. Here we go. Get down, get down, get down. You're gonna get wet. Get down! No, I'm just joking. Got you guys, got you! I'm sorry guys. We lost. I've never been here before. We're in the jungle now. Come on lady, remain seated. Come on, please be seated. What do you see? What do you see? Spiders, the most poisonous spiders in the world. So please keep your hands and arms inside my boat. Otherwise I can't save you. And now, covers. Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Alright. I think we're safe now. Let's get that. Sorry guys, sorry. Accident. Alright, I think we're safe now. Let's keep moving guys. Oh my goodness! We're not gonna make it. Crocodiles! We call them crocodiles. Do you know how the ladies call them? How do you call them? The ladies call them handbag. Hermes! Chanel! I'm not afraid of you! Oh, and this is what we're looking for. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the scientist campus. Let's say hello to my friend, Dr. Shag. Hello, Dr. Shag. What is where are the scientists? Where are that was close. There was... Anyone get hurt? Anyone? Oh, lucky us. We almost become a Titanic. And this is the African safari. Tell me guys, how to identify a male zebra and a female zebra? Speechless again. No one know the answer. I should send you guys back to school. For those zebra who look at the right hand side is female. Do you know why? Because women always right. Agree? Gentlemen, please bear in mind you are welcome. Don't worry kid, you will get it 20 years later. Alright guys, let's get moving. Oh, what's in the water? That feels so good. Oh, are those hippos? I hate those hippos. Those hippos just broke my boat a few weeks ago. Oh, hey! We found them! The scientists! Hello, Rosalina! Where have you been? The middle one is Dr. Rosalina. She's my best friend from Philippines. Anyone want to say them? Oh my goodness, no one. You guys treat friends like that? Really? Alright, she's not my friend anymore. I'm sorry! They're my idea! They're idea! We're leaving! I just lost a friend because of you. Alright guys, we're having lunch. Welcome to the locals' home. Let's say hello to the locals. Come on, be polite. Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Are you guys okay? See, I told you guys, you have to say hello and bring presents. Aha! There's a boat over there. We are going back home now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no! We lost again! Where are we now? Alright guys, everything is under control, it's just the water, okay? I got this, everyone! Alright, just a little fire, stay calm, do not stop this! Any survivors? Any survivors?
Yes! Yes!
Give yourself a big hand, come on, we made it! Oh, that was so close! I asked you to blow out the fire, why are you guys recording? This is not funny! Alright guys, we're going back home now. Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside my boat and take care of your children. Let's go home. I'm sweating. If you guys like the trip, if you like me, you can write me a love letter. And please remember, my name is Snowman, but if you don't like me, my name is Snow White. What's my name again?
No one.
Thank you, appreciate it. And who says Snow White, you will get an apple, sir. I'm for real. Alright guys, my boat is completely stopped. You're free to go. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy. I need a vacation.